Vanlife and today I'm going to be talking to you today about our old van and our new van. So let's get started. So our old van right here, it is a Ducato Maxi, and our new van is a Nissan Primastar. So this van has many memories. But the thing is, it's too old. So what we're going to be doing right now is swapping this van into this van. So if you want to see our other videos of this, then make sure to like, subscribe and press the notification bell. Hi guys, it's me Amelia. I'm part of Vanlifevangaming, and today I'm going to be showing you our new van. So this is a Nissan Primastar. So since it has a star at the end of it, I think we should call this van Starlight because it's white, like the light bouncing off of the moon, and the moon is in the stars. So I think we should name it Starlight. What do you guys think? Comment down below. So this is our new van. We bought it. Sadly, our old van is gone, but we've got this new van instead. So this new van, it is really nice. So over the past few weeks, we're actually going to be showing you how we're going to be building it and redecorating it. Bye for now. Hi, so this will be our bed, but it'll also change back into a couch. So it'll be up to here, to all the way there. And then here will be the fridge and the toilet area. Right now it's not, but we're planning for it to be. Then over here will be the dressing up cupboards, and over here will be the dressing up cupboards, and up here will be the stove. So this is our van. If anyone would like us to try out their products, their companies, then comment down below. Hopefully next year we'll be able to have a pop top. That's all from me for now. Hi guys, so today we are stripping out the inside of our van. So let's get to it. So we've removed all the wood off of these two, as you can see. So then we're gonna remove all of this and on all of the walls, and then we're gonna move on to the floor. So let's get to it. So guys, see, we've taken everything out, the walls, the floor. So now it's time to get the dustpan and brush out. So let's get to it. So right now we have a lot of things here, but it's actually looking pretty good. If we pull this up, then it will look actually really good. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hi guys, so right now we're going to B&Q so we get some more wood for the floor, and then we'll also stop off for some lunch. So let's go. for our lunch. This is my one. It's a normal hot dog with onions in it.
Breakfast style, bacon, eggies, sausages, onions. Cheers.
Cheers. Hi guys, so right now I'm drawing out an outline for the floor. So this is the size of the floor and this is our new material. So this material, I need to draw it out like this, along the outlines, like this. So then we can draw, so we can make the floor in the same shape instead of measuring it all out. So look, right now I'm just finishing off this side and done, then I'll do all those details. So I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. Right, so now I've done the outlines. Now I'm going to jigsaw it out so that we do the safety. Now it's all finished. So this is it. So I'm going to pull these bits out and show you. Right, I've got them all there. There we go. So that is done. So this will be the inside. So I guess it's time to put it in now. See you later. Bye. Right, so this is the final result. So this is the floor and we haven't finished it yet actually. Next week we're going to be putting windows in, we're going to be putting battening in, and we're also going to put the roof insulation in. So let's get to it next week. Make sure to like, subscribe and press the notification bell. I hope you like this video. Bye.